Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. It's Super Bowl weekend. Super Bowl's this Sunday. I was thinking about a first aid kit dedicated to the Super Bowl. Like, what kind of medical supplies do you want to take to the Super Bowl to keep you safe, keep your friends safe, and keep your family safe? So I've got a few items here, kind of small, but some things to think about for your Super Bowl party. One is some burn cream, because you know some defensive safety is going to get burned on a deep pass, and you're going to need some burn cream. So we got that. You're probably going to tell somebody that loves Taylor Swift that she sucks. And you don't want to hear another song of hers, and you don't want to see her on another NFL football game in the stands, and they're going to give you the cold shoulder. So you need a space blanket to stay warm when the person beside you gives you that cold shoulder. We all know grandpas get a little bit excited this time of year for Super Bowl. They're standing up cheering. They may or may not be compliant with their medicine, so they might have high blood pressure, might be trying to stroke out because their favorite team, the 49ers or the Chiefs, are going to win or lose, whoever this folds out to be. So take a blood pressure cuff so you can check grandpa's blood pressure to see how high it is. We know someone's going to fold under the pressure. So why not have a good pressure bandage? This is a NAR 4-inch to kind of hold that pressure in, because someone's going to fold. And what's a good Super Bowl party without something getting broken? Coffee table, big screen TV, something gets broken. So we got some tape to hide it from the wife. So when your best friend breaks something, we can kind of tape it together, and hopefully the wife doesn't see it. And then, you know, people are going to be throwing things. Throwing beer bottles, throwing food, candy, especially during the halftime show. So let's put some eye protection on, some eye shields from objects being thrown. Probably going to have some upset stomach, indigestion, diarrhea. What's that song? I don't think I can finish it. But we got some stomach and some antacid here to cover all those tummy issues. You know Monday's going to come around way too quick, especially if you had a little too much fun partying a Super Bowl party. So our boo-boo kit here has Tylenol, ibuprofen for that hangover come 6 a.m. Monday. And let's really hope that the Super Bowl was not a blowout. But if it is a blowout, we got a kit for it. This is our blowout kit here, Stop the Bleed kit. We've got a cat tourniquet, pressure bandage, gauze, gloves. So we have a blowout kit just in case the score gets out of hand. I think I'd put some 5x9s in there too, just to wipe away the tears. In case your favorite team doesn't win, whatever happens, you start crying, you got some 5x9s to soak up those tears. And if you have a really good time this weekend, you're probably going to need this kit in about 9 months. This is our OB kit, so just go ahead and plan ahead. The last thing I'm going to include in this kit is a ice pack. So when Grandpa starts getting overheated, screaming, yelling at the TV, you can tell him to cool off a little bit, and you got an ice pack that you can reuse. So what do you guys think? What are some other items that you think I left out of this video? Leave a comment down below. Hope everyone has a safe and great weekend. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.